Alright, so I think this is recording. Let's take a look at these next couple problems. We're looking at the review packet for Skill 7. Here, this is just flat out memorization, which is good and bad. If you do memorize this, when you see it on the test, there's really not any other way that you can change the problem. I mean, this is giving you the question that you know that's going to be on the test. So they want me to write in degrees. And so let's go through and around this and write it in degrees, and then also go around and write the equivalent angle in radian measure. So with my degrees, I'm going to need these little degree symbols on there. So this is 0 degrees, 45 degrees, 90 degrees, 135 degrees. We're just counting by 45s. Then add 45 and get 180. Add 45. Boy, that's a little bit far away from there. I didn't expect to see that. 225. Add 45. 270. Add 45. 315. And then up here, when you've made one complete revolution, in standard position, that the angle 0 and the angle 360 degrees are coterminal. Now, in radian measure, we would write 0, but we don't write any symbols after that, and we don't even have to abbreviate. Sometimes you'll see people abbreviate with radians or write radians after that, but that's implied. You don't need to do that. 45 degrees is pi over 4. 90 degrees is pi over 2. Well, 2 pi over 4, which reduces to pi over 2. And then this is 3 pi over 4. 4 pi over 4 reduces to pi. Then another, see, you're just counting, you're just adding pi over 4 each time. 5 pi over 4. 6 pi over 4. But 6 pi over 4 reduces to 3 pi over 2. 7 pi over 4. 8 pi over 4 reduces to 2 pi. Alright, so that's all it wanted there. Let's go on the next one. This one's counting by 30 degrees. So if we do our degrees, 0 degrees, 30 degrees. I'll try and make it a little bit thinner. 60 degrees, 90 degrees. I'm just adding 30 each time, or at least I hope I am. 120 degrees, 150 degrees, 180, which is half of a revolution, 210 degrees, 240 degrees, 270 degrees, 300 degrees, 330. So this guy is and then we're back to 360, right? In radian measure, this is 0. This is pi over 6. This is 2 pi over 6, which reduces to pi over 3. 3 pi over 6, which reduces to pi over 2. This is 2 pi over 3. This is 4 pi over 3. No, over 6. God. This is 5 pi over 6. I'm sorry, I'm not writing down what I'm saying. This is 2 pi over 3. This is pi. This is 7 pi over 6. This is 4 pi over 3. This is 3 pi over 2. This is 5 pi over 3. And 11 pi over 6. Alright. Hope that helps. It's just memorization. Hopefully you can read my writing there. Talk to you later.